Now, if you're looking for a hardy tree, if you're looking for something that you can espalier, if you're looking for something that does really well in a subtropical or a temperate climate, and if you love making preserves or bottled fruit, the quince is a really fabulous fruit. Now look at this beautiful tree, and this is growing here in Kyogle. So we are really subtropical, although we do get a few frosts in the winter. But the quince is also exceptionally hardy. So if you're in a temperate area where you get a lot of really heavy frosts, the quince is going to cope really beautifully with those. In fact, my mum and dad have a small tree. It's something like 100 years old. It still produces fruit, and every year it gets frosts that go down to -10. So not only is it a really, really hardy tree, but it's productive and long-lived. And look at these beautiful fruit. They're a bit like an apple, but they have hair on the skin, so they're quite furry fruits, and you can't eat them straight off the tree. But the thing with quinces is they make magnificent preserves. So anybody who's had quince paste or quince jelly is already going to be in love with the quince. And you can also stew them and bottle them. So in order to prepare them, you just need to brush the fur off. So you can see it comes off really easily. And underneath is this beautiful green skin. So if you were going to cook this up to make a jelly, you just cut the fruits up roughly and put them in a pan and cook them, skin and all, seeds and all. Add a bit of lemon for pectin, and then you just make a beautiful jelly. And the thing with the jelly is, for me, it captures the colour of quince. So once you start to cook quince, it turns the most beautiful pinkish colour, and it has the most lovely perfume. So anyone who has cooked quinces will know exactly what I mean. But the air in your kitchen is just going to be filled with this lovely fruity fragrance. I absolutely adore them, and it's a really lovely and easy plant to grow. So here we have ours espaliered, and once you pick the fruit, you can just tip prune off these shoots, just to keep it on the plane. You don't want too much coming out. So you just want to make sure that you maintain the flat plane of the tree if you're going to grow it in an espalier. And you too will be picking these beautiful fruit within about a year or two. So fall in love with the quince. You really can't go wrong. You're going to absolutely adore using them in the kitchen, and they're going to look beautiful in your garden. My name is Kath Kermode. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Please click on the bell to subscribe to our videos so you don't miss any, and keep watching here at daleysfruit.com.au.